Gather the ingredients. Chop the onion, the scallion, alright then the scallion. Mash the garlic like this. Wash the springtime and then clean out the inside of the chicken back like this. Remove the clogged blood, etc. Wash the chicken back with distilled white vinegar, lime or lemon juice and water. And then rinse it. With a sharp knife, chop 2 to 3 inches chicken back chunks like this. Add seasonings, allow it to marinate. Add the curry powder your way, but I burn the curry powder like this. First I add the curry powder, but I forgot. Watch this. Add the water. Allow stewing for 35 to 45 minutes on medium fire. To spruce the flavor, add the butter 5 to 8 minutes near the end. Curried chicken back is delicious with cooked food or white rice. For the details, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.